Hi, I'm Herrick Kimball. Back in 2007, I self-published this book right here. Anyone can build a Whizbang Garden Cart. And this is the cart that I prototyped that design with. And here it is, 2024. This cart has been so useful. It is worse for wear, but still functioning. It's still doing the job here on my little homestead. I have showed previously on the internet how I can move by myself a large picnic table with this garden cart. I've showed how to load large rocks very easily, rocks that can't be lifted, but they can be put into this garden cart and transported. There are so many practical uses for this cart design. I often use it as an outdoor workbench with some boards over the top. And right now here in this video, I am going to show you how to easily move this log splitter with this garden cart. Now I can move this if I lift here and push, but it's a chore, and or lift and pull. It's a chore. The thing is heavy, and I could hook up to the ball hitch with my truck if I wanted to, but that's a bother too. It's very easy to move this with the garden cart, as I'm about to show you right now. So all I have to do here to make this very easy is to move my my upright corner blocks there, just like that, and I can pull it. Get this out of the front yard, and I can rake up all that bark that's there after splitting the pile of wood I had, and I'll throw those chips in the garden cart. Easy peasy. See you in the next one.